Good morning, guys. Beautiful morning. We're leaving the salon this morning. I already came down and clean up and make sure everything is good. As far as the salon, we cleaned. Yeah, we cleaned up the floors, cleaned the bathrooms. So everything is pretty much good to go. Alright guys, so just getting out to the parking lot here. Yeah, so everything clean. Salon good to go. Today is Sunday, so I'm not really go for the peppers project today. It's a rainy day today, guys. Rainy day. Overcast and rain is drizzling, so can't do much outside today. But put on my seatbelt. Yeah man, so I'm just there. I go and watch some Colors Smith TV. Big up to Colors. Good brother. But yeah, so I just come down on the salon, get the salon clean up. You know, it never all that dirty. Just clean the bathrooms, vacuum the hallway, clean the front mat, back mat, you know, the usual. Not much to do over there. I have a couple rooms to work on, but we haven't been getting any hits on them lately. So I have two that's already. So I just need to just go and clean the rest, you know, touch up the rest and clean it, get it ready. So I think this week my main focus going to be on getting those together. As far as the peppers project now, I'm still me getting closer to final the final part of the permit, the AC part. So spoke with them last Friday. All I have to do now is just get some stamps, some re-stamps from the county. So we resubmit those already. Once they stamp those and then we take it back to Swanee, he should be able to sign off on it. So him say everything else look good, just get that stamped and send it back, resubmit it, and then we should be able to get the final part of the permit. As I said, we get some of it already, some of it have already been approved, different section of it, but this part now need to be approved. Yeah, so we go me go head down, me go probably head back home, go edit some videos. I really have nothing else to do. Today is Sunday, so done clean up over here, so I already got that going. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna see what go on in the Sunday. Yeah, just go and stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're gonna change oil on this car. This is how we change oil on a Lexus ISF. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we'll do an oil change on the Lexus, but come to find out there's a oil filter plug that's on the bottom of the oil filter housing was leaking. So I tried to tighten it a little bit more and it just broke. So it broke. So I'm gonna run down by the Toyota Lexus dealer to grab that little plug. It's just a drain plug like that, but the third piece, if you look, is broken off. So what happened is the material they use is like some kind of cast iron type thing where it's not strong. So with that being said, I go down and grab one from the dealership real quick. Forest, right down nearby Pleasant Hill. So yeah, it is what it is. These Toyotas, guys, I think I'm starting to hate Toyotas. They all give issues, they all give problems. The other one, the Corolla, it's still haven't fixed the problem. I think it's a computer issue. Whenever you drive it down the road, it shuts the injector one down. So I don't know what's going on with it. Even when I was changing the oil on that car, the filter housing was leaking. For some reason, it's made of plastic. They crack, they warp. So yeah, so that's what was going on. Yeah man, so I head down to the Toyota dealer real quick and pick up the plug and then come back, put it in. Once I put that in, oil change is done. I already did the oil change. It's just that it's not tightening, and then once I tighten it cracks. So I'm gonna pretty much pick that up and come back. I already poured the clean oil in. I changed the filter already, and tighten the bung, the drain plug. So see you in a minute. Alright guys, so for all who don't know, see, we at the Atlanta Toyota. For all those who don't know, Lexus parts, Toyota sell Lexus parts as well. So you can come here and tell them the car, they'll look it up. But this is the plug I'm talking about. You see where it broke right there? If you notice, if you look at this material real good, so this one right here is real light. It's like a cast iron type of material. If you look at it real good. Some kind of brittle. It's brittle. Like if you drop it or put a plier on it, it'll break, right? But as you can tell, they upgraded it to a steel version. See it? So now this one ain't gonna snap off like how this one snapped. Whatever material that was, garbage. So Lexus guys, Toyota, do better than that. Make the car with good stuff to begin with. In the Corolla, I had to change a plastic water neck already. I changed the same oil filter plug, that housing that this goes in. I had to change that, but the upgraded one, it was metal. So the original one was plastic, and then they upgraded it to a metal one. So as you can tell, I'll show you both of them. The material is different. See it? This one is more steel. This one is like a brittle cast iron, or I don't know if it's aluminum, but it's real light compared to this one. You could tell this one is more like a steel. It's definitely steel. It's not aluminum. It looks aluminum, but you could tell it's steel. It's heavier. All right, so I got the plug. I'm gonna go back real quick, put that plug in, and then that oil change is ready to go. It's just little stuff, guys. These Toyotas, they still make them good for the most part, but I don't know. The other Corolla is a 2015, and it already has computer issues. Normally on a Toyota, you don't normally have computer issues. You'll have minor other issues, but not with computers. I've never seen a Toyota that has computer issues. Now I don't know if that's the issue. However, yeah, I don't know if that's the issue, but I'm assuming everything is pointing towards that. So yeah, but yeah, dear Bleaky, we're at the Toyota dealer over there. Day kind of bleaky today. No sun never come out, but still a beautiful day, guys. Still a beautiful day, this morning I never do a vlog. I never open up the vlog this morning. However, I can give a little lowdown on what going on this morning. So this morning, remember last weekend we had turned in those paperworks. So this morning I went back over to the county Spoke with the plan reviewer over there, the same lady who approved our plans, the first part of it. So I took it back to her where we uploaded. So I went back to her. She said she could sign off on it. So once it shows up in their system, we submitted on Friday. She says she saw where it's accepted, but all she has to do now is they have to put it into where it shows up in their queue, and then, you know, so she told me that she would go ahead and just sign off on it. She can sign off on it, so she'll just look out for it and sign off on it as quick as possible so that we could take those plans back to Swanee. The guys over there at Swanee, they were about to give us that building permit, but because this one plan needed to be stamped for the AC, so once I get these done with the city of Gwinnett County, then I'll take them to the city of Swanee for us to get the final permit for everything else. And as I said, we got approved for most of the things in there. It's just the AC that needs to be stamped and approved. Alright, and the reason for that is we didn't know that we needed a plan for it, because it's a existing AC. It's there. We're not really gonna touch it apart from one vent. So they said that they needed to be in there. So with that being said, we have to do a plan for it. So we got the plans done. It's already submitted, you know, it's already submitted, so we should be good to go. Yeah, man. But yeah, guys, we're up on it. As I say, I put in back the plug them. I have to change oil on the Infinity as well. So I'm gonna get the oil filter for that and change the oil as well. Well, this Infinity, this car, I forgot I'm driving it, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna change the oil on this as well. Yeah, man. But stay tuned, I'm gonna drop in the plug and then keep it moving. Yeah, we're past Tesla over there, guys. We got all them Teslas and Cybertrucks and stuff over there. Yeah. They got a whole parking garage back there full of Teslas. Electric car. Me no want none. Me no want not electric car. No make no sense. You gotta run out of battery. Right now everything I run out of battery. Me keep on after change battery in my share, change battery in a remote. Yo, tired for charge up back things. No make no sense. Yeah, man. Grab the Honda dealer over there. So this road have all the dealers. We got Honda, Tesla, Lexus, Audi right up here. You know, we have Chevrolet right here, Chevrolet right there, Audi up the street. A bunch of different dealers. As a matter of fact, all the dealers are in this area. Dodge, every single dealer is in this area. Yeah, man. Yeah, almost every single dealer. Ford, there's Ford right here. Kia next door right there. Yeah, every single one is right here. Every single dealer. Got BMW back there. Every single dealer. Infinity over there. Mercedes is up on this road right here. Yeah, guys, I think there's every single manufacturer except for like Porsche. Porsche is up on the other side. You know, but every single other dealer is all the other ones are here. Yeah. You know, like Jaguar, so I think is up there too. Acura is up there. So we buy the Audi dealer right here, Audi, and then you have Hyundai right here as well. Infinity across the street. We got Mazda over there and Subaru right over this hill. So I would probably say there's every single dealer is on this road. Every single one is in this little area within 5 minutes of each other. guys, stay tuned. I'm up on the road. I go drive, pay attention and drive go home and drop this plug.